Here is one more problem I am going to solve for you based on parabolic trend. So this question was appeared in 2016 question paper for 10 marks. Okay. So fit a parabolic trend of the form y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square for the following data or series. So year they have given and strength they have given. Okay. Now we'll solve the problem. So columns are same year and strength. Okay, year 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. Strength means nothing but y. 12, 11, 8, 9, 13. Okay, now write the parabolic trend equation. Is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, so this is the main equation. Now write three normal equations. Okay, so the normal equations are the three normal equations are: first one, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. So this is first normal equation. Next, second normal equation is summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x raised to q. Second normal. Then write third normal equation. Summation xy is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x raised to q plus c summation x raised to 4. So this is third normal equation. Okay. Next, after doing this, what you have to do? You have to make the columns of x column, x square, x3 and x raised to 4, then xy, then x square y. So these many columns are needed. Yes, first x. Then count how many years are there. N how much? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then this is summation y. Summation y is how much? Total of this is 53. Okay. Then x. If it is odd, no problem. 0, minus 1. Sorry, 1 here and here 2. Upside minus 1, minus 2. Then x square. Square of this 2 square 4. 1 square 1 0 1 4. Then x cube. 2 cube 2 to the 4 4 to the 8. 1 0 1 8. Okay. Then x raised to 4 we need. Okay. 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 16. So here wait here minus 1. Okay, then here 16, 1, 0, 1, 60. Okay, now total. Summation x always 0. Summation x square is equal to 10. Summation x cube also always 0. And summation x raised to 4 total is 34. Okay, now next column is x, y. So these two columns. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. 11 into minus 1 is minus 11. 0. 8 in 9 ones are 9. 13 twos are 26. So 26 plus 9, 35. Here 34 plus 11, 35. So minus 35 minus 35. So summation xy is 0. Okay. So x square y is equal to. So these two columns you have to multiply. 12 fours are 48. 11 ones are 11. Then 0. 9 ones are 9. 13 fours are 52. Summation x square y is equal to 52. Okay. Now we got all these columns and these are the equations. Now take one by one equation. I'll take first equation, that is summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. So this is first equation. Now put the value. Summation y is how much? See in the table. Total of y column is 53. How many years are there? N 5. A plus b summation x is always 0 plus c summation x square is 10. Okay, so 53 is equal to 5a plus 10c. So from first equation we got fourth equation. Okay, now you take second equation. Second equation is summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x raised to q. So this is second normal equation. Put the value summation xy, say the column is 0. A summation x is 0 plus b into summation x square total is 10 plus c x cube is always 0. So answer is here 0, here 0, here b 10 and 0. So what is 0? Here 0 is equal to b 10. So therefore b is equal to 0 divided by 10. That therefore b is equal to 0. Means value of b is 0 only. Okay, not 10. 0 divided by 10 is 0. Okay. Next, second equation over. Now take third equation. Third equation is summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x raised to 4. So this is third equation. Put the value summation x square y. See in the table it is 120 total. A summation x square is 10 plus b x cube total is 0 plus c x raised to 4 is 34. Simplify. 120 is equal to 10a plus 34c. Okay, so by third equation we got fifth normal again equation. Okay, now compare fourth and fifth equation. Here it is 10a and there it is 5u. So to become 10 you have to multiply the fourth equation with 2. So multiply equation 4 in with 2. So take equation 4. Equation 4c backside it is 53 is equal to 5a plus 10c. So this is your fourth equation. So multiply with 2. So 53 into 2 is 106. 5 into 2 10a plus 10 into 20c. Okay, so we got sixth equation. Now substitute means minus equation 6 in equation 5. Means from equation 5 you have to minus equation 6. What is equation number 5? 120 is equal to 10a plus 34c minus equation number 6. 106 is equal to 10a plus 20c. Okay, this cancels. 120 minus 106 is 14 is equal to 14c. Okay, therefore c is equal to 14 divided by 14. So value of C is 1. So we got A, B and sorry, we got only B value and C value. Now to get A value, okay, so here also calculation of A. From equation 1. So write equation 1. What is equation y? Summation y is equal to NA plus B summation x plus C summation x square. Okay. What is summation y? 53 is equal to N5A. B summation x is 0 plus C. Here B value is also 0. Okay. And C value is 1. 1 into summation x square is 10. Yes. 53 is equal to 5a. So here plus 0 plus 10. So what remains? 53 is equal to 5a plus 10. I'll solve here continuation part. Yes. Now see here. So take this plus 10 this side equals 53 minus 10 is equal to 5a. So here 53 minus 10 is 43 is equal to 5a. Okay. So therefore a is equal to 43 divided by 5. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 8.6. So we got now a value also. Okay. Now write the equation, main equation. The trend equation is, what is trend equation? Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Now write constant value abc. A value is 8.6 plus b value is 0 x plus c value is 1 x square. Simplify. Y is equal to 8.6 plus x square because here it is 0. Okay. So this is the main trend equation. Okay. Hope you understood all this parabolic trend equation. Okay. Next class I'll solve third equation, that is exponential equation. Okay. Be perfect with this second least square method. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.